Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn for English speaking. Start by dedicating at least 15 minutes every day to active speaking practice. This consistent effort builds confidence and fluency over time. Immerse yourself in English media, like watching movies without subtitles or listening to podcasts, to train your ear. Pay close attention to pronunciation and the natural rhythm of the language. Remember, regular, focused practice is key to achieving your speaking goals. To truly improve, actively engage in conversations with native English speakers whenever possible. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are part of the learning process. A powerful technique is to record your own voice while speaking, then listen back to identify areas for improvement in pronunciation and flow. Try describing your immediate surroundings aloud for 5 minutes each day to practice spontaneous speech. Immersion is crucial. Expose yourself to a wide range of English accents and speaking speeds through various media. A highly effective method is shadowing, where you listen to a native speaker and immediately try to mimic their words, rhythm, and intonation. Also, try to use English for your daily internal monologue, thinking aloud in English to reinforce your vocabulary and sentence structures. Finally, consistency and a positive mindset are paramount. Set realistic, achievable speaking goals, perhaps aiming for a 5-minute conversation by next month. Embrace every mistake as a valuable learning opportunity rather than a setback. Celebrate your small victories, like successfully ordering coffee in English, to maintain motivation. Remember, consistent effort over time yields the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.